Hello everybody, it's me, Code Trucker Looter, signing in for finally episode number 12 of Starting Out with Python, I guess. I can't remember, it has been such a long time, but we're finally gonna finish the chapter 4 of the book. This is actually a monumental part of the of the channel because sorry for the long hiatus. I know I've been disconnected for far too long, but without further ado, guys, we are here in order to actually finish this chapter, and hopefully we can finish the book this year. Hopefully before winter ends. How about that? That will be my goal. If I can do it before summer begins. Okay, so we have here program 421. We are in the turtle. Damn it. C sharp. Sorry, I've been in C sharp for far too long. The turtle Python files, and we are actually in the we are creating shapes like the little doodles that I've been doing previously before this video. So this file, it's called concentric circles.py. Okay, so we're gonna import turtle and then named constants. We're gonna create constants. So num circles equals 20. Starting radius equals 20. Okay. Offset is equals to 10. And animation speed is equals to 0. Okay. So now we're gonna set up the turtle speed animation speed turtle dot height turtle. Okay, now we're gonna we're gonna set the radius of the first circle. Radius equals starting radius. We're gonna draw the circles, and this is gonna be 4 count in range. Non-circles, right? Column. It's gonna be draw the circle turtle dot circle radius. Okay. Here, get the coordinates for the next circle. So I'm gonna read a xe turtle dot x core y equals turtle dot y core minus offset. Okay, now we're gonna create a calculate the radius for the next circle. Radius plus offset, and then position the turtle for the next circle. Let's I actually bought a new mouse. I'm with a brand new mouse, so my clicks are so very responsive and so precise. I am actually super happy. Turtle dot pen up. Okay. Turtle dot go to It's gonna be X and Y, of course. Turtle dot pen down. And with that, with the pen down, we are going to save everything and play. Okay, that was actually pretty good. So the pen down is basically, you can, I believe you can close the window. Oh, okay. Maybe we shouldn't do that. Okay. Oh, that's cool. That's cool. So what happens if we actually get out of that loop with the pen down? Nothing happens. Okay. I create one again. There you go. That's cool. That's actually very, very cool. Let's see if we have another exercise, and I'm gonna be back in just a second, okay? Okay, so this next turtle exercise, actually, we've done it. Actually, sorry. I've done it on my doodle, kind of in my testing video prior to this video, but it doesn't hard to do it because it's part of the book. So we're gonna do here. It's called spiral circles.py, and what this program does is draws a design using repeated circles. Okay. Okay. So let's import turtle again. Named constants. Num circles. 36. So what it does is number of circles to draw. Radius 100. What it does is radius of each circle. Angle is equals to 10. Angle to turn. Animation speed is equals 0. So now with this is basically the animation speed. Yeah, very informative. Thank you, book. So set the animation speed. It's turtle dot speed animation speed. Okay. Now we're gonna do draw 36 circles with the turtle tilted by 10 degrees after each circle is drawn. 4. X in range. None circles. Okay. Turtle dot circle radius, and then turtle dot left angle. Okay. And then we just save and click. Okay, that was really freaking cool. Let's do it again. Let's do it again. Yo, that's fucking lit, dude. That's actually that was fucking lit. I want to see it again one more time. I love this file. I love this turtle import. I love it. It's just plain freaking cool. That's it. That's it. Ooh, this one's way cooler. Let's see. Let me create the next one. Okay. Okay. Ah, gosh. Um, this program draws a design using repeated lines. It's called spiral lines.py. Okay. So we're going to import turtle. Okay. New constant. Start x equals minus 200, which is starting x coordinates. Start y 0, which are the starting y coordinates. Num lines 36 is the number of lines to draw. Line length, it's the 400. Length of each line, angle 170. It's the angle to turn. And last but not least is the animation speed, which is 0. Okay, so we're gonna create here animation speed. The most important comment. Anyway, move the turtle to its initial position. So I'm gonna create a turtle that hide turtle. Okay. Then turtle that pen up. Okay, pen up. All right. Then we got a turtle that go to start X and start Y. Okay. Then we got a turtle that pin down. Yeah, let's but wait, we have more. We do have more. Let me just a little bit, because after the pin down we have to set the animation speed, turtle speed, okay, to the animation speed. Okay, draw 36 lines. Okay, with the turtle tilted by 170 degrees after each line is drawn. Okay, for X in range, okay, num lines, column, we are creating a function. Well, it's a loop. Turtle that forward line length. Okay, turtle that left angle. Sorry, angle. There we go. And now what we have to do is just save everything and click play. That was the trippiest thing. I wanted to see it again. Bro, it's freaking cool. I love it. What if we put animation speed as in -1? What what would happen? You know what? Let's put -10. No, -100. Well, it still works. So let's put it back in 0. It's super cool. I have to say that's very cool. I think it never changed the speed, animation speed. But that was so cool. That was so cool to do. It's such a cool thing. And with that, guys, we are already in chapter 5. Fuck yeah. There are, of course, some how you call it, some multiple choice questions as the end of the chapter. I'm gonna skip that all of that, and I'm gonna tell you that the next chapter, it's called functions. So in chapter 5, what we're gonna do is what we're gonna view in this chapter is an introduction to functions, defining and calling a void function. That's actually very good. Designing a program to use functions. We're gonna see local variables, passing arguments to functions, global variables and global constants, introduction to value returning functions, generating random numbers, also writing your own value returning functions, the math module, also storing functions in modules, chartographic modularizing code with functions. Oh, that would be freaking cool to do. I'm so excited with this new chapter 5. And I hope you guys are excited too, because we're gonna finish this book. So yeah, guys, that is for today. Thank you very much, guys. See you guys next time. Bye bye.